Understanding I adore you in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and meaningful phrase in English, I adore you. This phrase is rich in emotion and cultural context, and understanding it can really enhance your English language skills, especially in expressive and emotional communication. So, let's get started. The phrase, I adore you, goes beyond just liking someone. It expresses a deep level of affection and admiration. When you say, I adore you, you're conveying that you hold someone in the highest regard and have profound feelings for them. It's stronger than just loving someone. It implies a sense of devotion and a deep, emotional connection. I adore you is often used in romantic contexts, but it's not limited to them. It can also be expressed towards family members, close friends, or even objects and places that hold a special place in your heart. However, because it's such a strong expression, it's important to use it sincerely and with people you have a close and trusting relationship with. In different cultures, the intensity of the phrase can vary. In some cultures, saying, I adore you, might be reserved for romantic partners or very special occasions. In others, it might be used more liberally. Understanding the cultural context of the person you're speaking to is important when using this phrase. There are several phrases in English that convey similar feelings. For example, I love you is widely known, but there are others like, I cherish you, you mean the world to me, or I hold you in high regard. Each of these expressions has its own nuance, but they all revolve around expressing deep affection and admiration. I adore you is a beautiful expression of deep affection and admiration in the English language. Remember, its power lies in its sincerity and the depth of the relationship. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.